that you get to see the bigger picture of the business and contribute to the strategic and economic decisions. So as a civil engineer, I had typically been more focused on technical skills rather than finance. And after finishing a major project, I felt I wanted to pivot towards a more financial related role. And earning my CFI certificate provided me with a strong knowledge and comprehensive understanding of finance, which made me feel much more prepared and competitive in this new career path. So I took the 3 statement modeling, the budgeting and forecasting, which proved very, very useful in my new, role. Mm-hmm. Sensitivity and scenario analysis. Those were the ones that I've been using daily, practically, with my new role. Detailed and easy to follow. I loved also the Excel tips and tricks you get along the courses. Those were so useful too. I've learned, I've used them a lot. I've taught other people about them, and a lot of the courses have proven very, very useful. But to name a few that have been the most valuable for my new role, have been the budgeting and forecasting, the 3 statement modeling, and sensitivity and scenario analysis. So I subscribe to several financial related newsletters. I listen to daily podcasts, and I read extensively, mm-hmm. which help me be on top of the industry trends and continue improving my skills. So what I love most about working in a financial related role is that you get to see the bigger picture of the business and contribute to the strategic and economic decisions. And my CFI certificate has provided me with a strong knowledge in finance that has helped me pick up easier new concepts. So right now in my current role, I do a lot of, budgeting and forecasting of different types of costs for, our projects. And, a lot of the bases and also how to lay out the problem, let's say, you face that I've, I've used the CFI courses and the examples, the case studies, to kind of lay out the problem and start solving it from there. Mm-hmm. And then using the specific, concepts of budgeting and forecasting. And I feel confident, jumping into financial, conversations and tasks and opportunities, generally speaking. I'm at another completely different level in my financial, knowledge. So what I would say to someone that is considering taking a CFI certificate and is on the fence, go for it. That is completely worth it, and that they should do it. Yeah, you can, create your own. You're gonna take the courses you think are the most interesting, like creating your own path, and within the, you can take the specific program, but taking also additional courses of topics that you feel are interesting, and there's all these resources, and yeah, it's very, comprehensive and but easy to follow, easy to understand, and it builds up from the base to a more, expert level. With all the different types of courses and different levels of, from going from basic to a more, expert level, I feel I can pick up new concepts that I haven't covered easier. Because I have the foundation, and I know where I can find resources. And so if I'm presented with something I don't know, I know how to learn it.